If you're here supporting the Whitehall Vikings, let's hear you. Let's count it down together from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
With a break, it's always tough to make sure that we all get back into it, but I think it looked great and it sounded great, and Glow Show was always so fun with all the kids, you know, being creative with their glow sticks and everything and all their LED lights. I think it went really well.
Can you show me what you got in your ponytail there?
Oh yeah, I've got a little scrunchie.
With a glow stick in it?
Some shoelaces.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Like my high school never did it, my college never did it, and I think it's just the coolest thing. And I love how the community gets together to watch each other, and people in the stands probably didn't hear it, but the students on the track, while performances were happening, they like sang along with all the songs, and I thought that was really cool. So we had Georgia on My Mind by Ray Charles, and then Think by Aretha Franklin. Part 2 was Bohemian Rhapsody and Yesterday by the Beatles. And then third one is Crazy in Love by Beyonce, and I'm Still Standing by Elton John. We have symphonic band going on next. We don't have anything from marching band until the Christmas parade, I believe. But we're working on our Christmas concert, or our holiday concert. And then we'll have like pep band and jazz band going on pretty soon, so busy. Always busy.
People who made our show possible are drill designer Mark Heather, percussion instructor Jim Gilbert, brass instructor Ben Cronvall, woodwind instructor Aaron Sharp, and color guard instructors Shelby Newell and Neva Hunt. The band would like to thank the band boosters and other parents of band students for their dedication to the band and helping to give the band a great season. Lastly, a huge thank you to the Montague boosters, students, and director Emma Greenwood for making this event happen and showcasing some amazing bands for our last performance of the season. Let's give it up one more time for the Whitehall High School Viking Marching Band.